Good morning. Today we will be working in the cucumber patch. Cucumbers have seen the last of their season. They're starting to get bitter. So nobody likes a bitter cucumber. We are going to clear out this row and till all that up and get ready to plant our fall garden. This is the only bed that we're gonna demolish today. Cucumbers are down. All the little tendrils are still left up there. They'll just dry off and fall off. And now we are going to work on this here dirt. I weeded up this little patch here. And now I'm going to hit it with the tiller. Added fertilizer and worm castings. Got all that raked in. It's nice and even. And now I'm going to cover it up and let it take a little week-long nap under some weed barrier, and then we'll plant our squash seedlings next weekend.